Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Gonna review a North Coast Brewing Company beer. This is a Pranqster. See how it's written there? This is a Belgian style golden ale. 7.6% ABV. I can't remember if somebody's reviewed this recently or not. I keep thinking that one of my fellow brew tubers have done this, but I don't know for sure. If not, brewed in Fort Bragg, California. It's a Belgian style golden ale. Did I say that already? It says on here, Belgian ales represent the height of the brewer's art with sophisticated brewing techniques. Sophisticated brewing techniques, yeast blends, and unique flavorings. Pranqster follows in this tradition using a mixed culture of antique yeast strains that produces a floral nose, full fruity flavor, and clean finish. Recommended serving temp 50 degrees. 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This is actually probably a little bit colder than that. It's showing a tulip. I think that's tulip glass. I don't have that. I have one of these regular kind of a lager glass, I guess you could say. But it's late. It's a little after 11 o'clock. So I don't want to get up and go in there. And so I'm just kind of keeping it steady going here. Okay, let's see. A golden ale. I've had one or two of these Belgian style golden ale type beers, similar to this anyway. They're good. They're good beers. I got this in a pick 6. North Coast Brewing Company has had some really good beers I've reviewed in the past. I can't remember if I've reviewed this one before. This could possibly be a revisit because it looks familiar, but all these guys look like a bunch of hobbits in there in the pub. Okay, let's give it a try. I wanted to get a beer done on a beer review done on Turkey Day sometime or another. Wasn't the right time to do it, but to find anybody there at the family get-together today. But so just had to wait until the night was done, everything was settled and calmed down a little bit. Nice golden color. Finger of head right now. Head is pretty nicely white. A little sudsy texture to the head. Okay. That swish and pour there didn't really cloud up the beer. Still fairly clear. very light haze. It has kind of a fruity aroma, kind of like a pineapple a little bit. It said fruity nose, I think. And floral, oh, excuse me. Full fruity flavor. But I'm getting a little pineapple-ish kind of an aroma. Kind of a, yeah, yeasty, white breadish kind of an aroma. Yeah, sweet. Maybe a little floral, yeah, on the nose. Smells good. Okay. Give it a chance just to warm up just a little bit. Probably closer to 50 degrees now, maybe. Okay. Ooh. Wow. That's pretty nice. Medium body. Light carbonation. Sweet. You might get a little bit of that pineapple mixed with the, the hops and the barley malts on the taste. It has the Belgian style characteristic to it. Clean finish. Yeah, you could say that. It's a very good flavored beer, excuse me. It's been a busy day. That's a good beer. Very enjoyable. Very enjoyable. It just has an overall clean presentation to the nose and the taste. The overall beer is just really good quality tasting beer. Very enjoyable. 7.6%. I don't get that. The flavors are pretty big in here and cover up that alcohol. Probably wouldn't cover up a 10% beer, but 7.6, yeah, it kind of matches it, enough to hide the alcohol. Wow, that's really good. That's one of those beers you could pair with different kinds of foods really easily. Very good. And my 1 to 5 rating, I'd give this a 5. There's nothing at all wrong with this. It's very good, very drinkable. Pretty much what it says on the label is what you're experiencing in the actual beer. So yeah, good stuff. Our Turkey Day family get together was all on my wife's side of the family. Went good. Went real good. We met over there at my sister-in-law's house at 1 o'clock today, and they had the turkey done and the ham done, and it was really good. Everything. They usually have me carve it. I'm kind of the carver. They have to tell me to stop most of the time because I just keep on going. I told my brother-in-law, so I'm like a buzzard. unless you stop me, I'm going to keep getting all the, you know, the good meat off of this turkey carcass. I'm getting it all separated. They have like a casserole dish, and I put the brown meat over here, and I put the white meat over here on this side, and that way they can kind of take what they want of each one, of either one. Question: what do you all prefer? Do you like the dark meat, like the wings? And well, the wings kind of have a little bit more, maybe a little mixture of white and dark in it, but the legs are all dark meat. Then you got the breast and the other parts of the turkey, that's the white meat. I've always been a big fan of the dark meat. I like turkey legs, for one thing. Excuse me. So there's a lot of people that aren't dark meat eaters. You know, they'd rather have the white meat of the turkeys. But so I usually get a lot more of the dark meat myself, but sinuses are killing me tonight. But yeah, what do you guys like? Do you like a little bit of both, or? That's what I do. I usually get a turkey leg, and then I get a few of the little stragglers of the dark meat with that turkey leg, and then I get some slice, like one slice of the white meat. But yeah, they had all kinds of stuff, all kinds of side dishes, different stuff. Really good. It was a nice success, and it all went good. So then, yeah. And everybody's in bed. My son's got to go to work tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. It's the Black Friday sales are going on right now, so he's really busy and has to be there early. So ooh, that's good. That's really good. Yeah, there's nothing bitter about this at all. There's no IBUs present, in my opinion. It doesn't say there's any IBUs on it. I mean, there's no any kind of bitterness to it. So, so yeah, it's not. It's just a nice, smooth beer. Really good. All right. Well, I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. And hope y'all had a good holiday. Good family get together. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.